get enough of those cuties and baby Looney Tunes coming up next. At 3:35, sit back and enjoy WNTV with Connection, and at 3:40, it's time for Jerry and his three friends.
Hey there everybody, it's a loonyful day to play the baby Looney Tunes way.
Hey guys, it's Connection time, a game where you have to figure out what these two objects have in common. So how did you go with Connection? Well, you will find out soon, because here's the answers. Hope you're enjoying the show so far, guys. Up next we have the action-packed X-Men. Then Wanda fills you in with her top 5. At 4:25, get ready to watch some X-Action with X-Air, and then Yu-Gi-Oh! Blasts onto your screens at 4:30. And to top off an awesome afternoon, it's Bass.
Henry, who's your favourite musician?
Hey Hoodie, I'd probably have to say Incubus. Great band, I love all their CDs and I've got all of them too.